Enabling lesson progression for a particular classroom will make sure that learners read the lessons in the order as set by their instructors by ensuring that learners complete reading a lesson before accessing the next lesson. Hover over a classroom card in which you wish to enable lesson progression and click Materials. Click the gear icon, then select Enable Lesson Progression. A confirmation message appears. Click Enable to enable lesson progression. Once enabled, you will be able to see an information text to indicate that the lesson progression has been enabled for this classroom. Now, learners will only be able to access the content in the order set by you. To disable learning progression in a lesson, click Disable Lesson Progression. A confirmation message appears. Click Disable any way to disable lesson progression in the classroom. Now, learners will be able to access the lessons in this classroom in any order of their liking.